What we do here is not just a jacket. It's the preservation of the best moments of your life. Since 1969, we're proud to say that millions have trusted us to preserve those memories for them. We invest in the best technology to make sure your jacket lasts a lifetime. We've also created what we call a premier patch, and we've got a patent on it. And we've taken the traditional patch that would have been made on two felts, and we make it with one felt now. That one felt sews on nicer, flatter to the sleeve of the jacket, making it look a lot more elegant, and it's lasting longer on a kid's jacket. Traditionally, pocket welts, if you look at them, will kind of flip over, they're flimsy, and ours are seamless, plus the welt itself is stiffer so that it doesn't easily tear, and your front of the jacket looks nicer much longer. Getting started is easy. Once your school has awarded you your jacket, our team will be there to help you go through the order process. One of the things that we strive to do is deliver your jacket in 8 weeks or less to your school. Many have worked here for over 20 years because they know that what they do here is important to at least one kid. They make a difference in the life of a family, putting a smile on a kid's face when they receive their jacket, and they all hold that true to their heart. Visit us at ssrjackets.com, where you can order additional sleeve patches or check the status of your order. Whether you have a long name, you're short, you're tall, or you've accomplished so many things that they don't fit on your sleeves, we're going to figure out how to make your jacket look great just for you.